Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Iams Proactive Health Adult Minichunks Dry Dog Food Chicken. It is exactly the flavor that Bootsy likes, and it doesn't seem to make her get fat. If you have a small dog, this is the dog food he needs to be healthy and happy. No matter where you buy this brand of dog food, it's always the same price, but convenient to have somebody drop it at the door. Bought this for a young person having financial difficulties, but who rescued a very nice young dog. The first ingredient is chicken, which is good for her compared to most grocery store type brands. Iams dog food, as well as their sister product, Eukanuba, is the best dog food made. Not only was it terribly slow, but is packed in single thickness cardboard, which was dented, ripped, and very poorly packed. It was recommended by owners and handlers at dog shows for promoting good health, longevity, energy, shiny coat, and in those situations, regularity before showtime. Yes, our babies love it. They get so excited when it's breakfast and dinner time. I'd give the chunks were too big, or it was too much of a hassle to eat, but he prefers the Minichunks much more. It seems like this is the only kind that he doesn't have a reaction to. However, our 3 dogs, a Border Collie, Corgi, and Pinscher Dachshund mix, all love this food. Excellent food, and the dogs love it. Low poop production and a shiny soft coat are the keys to high-quality foods like Iams. George really lives this food more than all others that are offered on the market. Our poodles love this food, and it keeps them at the weight they need to be. The ingredients are better on this one, but the other one seems to make the dogs want to eat. This, despite the fact that most dogs over 7 switch to the senior, or weight management blend. When it comes to dog food, she's very finicky about what she'll eat for days in a row. It may not be the absolute top of the line, but it's a very good product for most dogs. Good product, same ingredients as before, which is not something you can take for granted these days. Not only do they like this, but they also prefer the Minichunks size of the kibble. The price for this is better, but the things and taste of the wild are better. The oldest is 14 years, a very old age for a big dog, which attests well to the good nutrition she has received from this product. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.